gonna fly! Run away. He just ran away. Allah ka dyan. So, we are here in Luneta Park, where our
first date was.
So, this is the place where we had the first date back
14 years ago.
14 years ago, and now we are 4. So, ito yung Quirino Grandstand, and in front is the Luneta Park. So, this is the Luneta Park. There.
Aan de overkant hebben ze allemaal fonteinen staan.
Ja.
Maar in de avond
Aha.
lampen niet alleen.
Nee, niet achter jou.
Si Akiyo may sariling mundo. So, we are here in Luneta Park. Daddy Dennis and Akiyo is there. So, this is the place where we had our first date back 2013. No, 2012. 2012.
12.
Yeah.
July 7, 2012.
July 7, 2012 daw yung first date namin galing. Ayan. So, here is the place. See, ang ganda. Mas maganda to sa gabi kasi maraming fountains and may mga live show in the evening. So, ayan. Also, they have also here the Japanese garden and Chinese garden, if I'm not mistaken.
Thank you.
So, ito yung paligid ng Rizal Park. Actually, dun sa middle, merong fountain dun eh. So, galing kasi kami ng H2O Hotel. So, nag-walk lang kami from here. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan. 14 years ago, we were here. Just me and Dennis. And then now we are 4. Tadan! How do you feel, Papa?
Ano?
Being here after 14 years.
Memories.
With the 2 kids.
Different.
So,
Showing them our memories.
yeah, 14 years we were here, just me and Dennis, and now we are 4. Hiro, this is the place where Mama and Papa have a date.
Wow!
So yeah, this is what they call Japanese garden.
Ano? Theaterhuis.
Us. Okay. Ice cream. Chiro is trying the we call it dirty ice cream, no? But it's so really yummy. So we try it here in Luneta Park, and Daddy also. But I wanna try the mango there. Oh,
Meron ditong na eskwelahan. Yung Manila Bulletin Publishing Corporation. Isa sa mga matatandang publishing natin dito sa Pilipinas.
oo.
Na magpahanggang ngayon ay gumagawa pa rin sila ng dyaryo nun.
Ay, hanggang ngayon.
Oo, hanggang ngayon, Manila Bulletin. Ito yung paggawa ng dyaryo, ito yung opisina.
Ah.
Pero yung unang itinatag dito is church. Pinakamalaking church dati dito nung panahon ng mga Kastila.
Okay.
The biggest church before. Because before they have 7 churches here. So the 6 churches is totally destroyed during Second World War. So after World War
Okay.
II, the one church they reconstructed again. So that's Manila Cathedral Church.
Aha.
So that's why today they have 2 big churches here. The oldest stone church and then the second oldest church cathedral.
Uy, magaling si Kuya, oh.
Halos araw-araw doon, ma'am, is may kasal, ma'am.
Mhm.
Halos everyday may kasal sa cathedral and then San Agustin. Ayun yung kauna-unahang naging public school dito sa Manila. The
Oh.
first public school in Manila. Dahil dati, nung panahon ng Kastila is walang ano dito,
Oo.
walang pampublikong eskwelahan. So halos lahat ng eskwelahan dito is private lang. So,
Oh.
kaya
Mama? Mommy?
Oh.
marami pa rin dito no, ng residential medicinal wine na tinatawag na Shohoktong
Ah.
or Shoktong na ginamit din ng mga dalaga or mga babae pang menstruation or
Ah.
palaglag din.
Ayun pala.
Oh, okay. Yung leather na parang ano pala sila, no? Hindi sila masyado.
Ah, oh.
Sabihin yan, wag na nating pa-open yung ano, Marcos.
Totoo.